Have you ever felt the pain of being rejected by your family? It's one of the deepest wounds we can carry, leaving us feeling unworthy, unloved, and alone. But you don't have to carry this pain forever. Healing is possible. Hello, beautiful people. I am Mahesha Rice, and welcome to my channel where I help adoptees, foster care survivors, and anyone on their healing journey process deep emotions, release all wounds, and embrace their strength and worth. Today, we're going to focus on healing from rejection by family. Family rejection cuts deeply, creating feelings of hurt, anger, and even shame. This session will help you acknowledge those emotions, release the pain, and begin to rebuild a sense of self-worth and acceptance. Before we begin, I'd like you to tune into this topic. Think about any feelings of rejection you may have experienced from your family. How strong are these feelings for you right now? On a scale of 0 to 10, where 10 feels overwhelming and 0 feels at peace, one number best describes how you are feeling. Take a mental note of this number and we'll come back to it at the end. As we go through this session, tap along with me and repeat each phrase out loud if possible. This helps deepen the emotional release and connection to the process. Now let's start by taking a long inhale. And exhale. Let's tap. Even though I feel the pain of being rejected by my family, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though their rejection makes me feel unworthy and unloved, I honor my feelings and where I am right now. Even though I feel hurt and angry about their rejection, I choose to show myself compassion and love. I feel so hurt by the rejection I've experienced. It makes me feel like I'm not good enough. This pain is heavy, and I've been carrying it for so long. I feel angry that they couldn't accept me as I am. I feel sad that I wasn't given the love and support that I needed. This rejection makes me question my worth. It's hard to move forward with this pain in my heart. I feel like I've been abandoned emotionally, and it hurts. I feel stuck in this pain, and it feels so overwhelming. I feel anger rising when I think about their rejection. I feel sadness for the love I didn't receive. I'm scared to let go of this pain because it feels like part of me. I feel like I need to hold on to this hurt to protect myself. It's hard to trust that I can heal from this. This rejection makes me feel like I'll never belong. I feel like I'm alone in carrying this burden. I honor this pain and the hurt it represents. I release the belief that their rejection defines my worth. I let go of the anger that has been weighing me down. I choose to release the sadness I've carried for so long. I allow myself to feel my emotions and let them flow. I trust that I can release this pain without losing myself. I let go of the fear of being rejected again. I create space in my heart for healing and peace. I honor my journey and the strength it's given me. I choose to replace pain with self-acceptance. I allow myself to feel worthy, even when they couldn't see my value. I am not defined by their rejection. I am enough. I release the hurt and create space for self-love. I trust myself to navigate these feelings with grace and compassion. I choose to embrace peace and let go of what no longer serves me. I am free to move forward with love and confidence. I am worthy of love and belonging. I release the belief that I need their acceptance to feel whole. I honor the lessons this pain has taught me. I choose to love myself as I am, unconditionally. I trust that I can create my own sense of belonging. I feel lighter as I let go of the hurt and anger. I embrace my worth and know I am worthy of love. I'm whole, resilient, and ready to embrace my healing journey. Take a long breath. And exhale. Now tune back into those feelings of rejection. How strong do they feel on the scale of 0 to 10? Notice if the intensity has shifted. You might have to come back and do this session a few times. Let me know what your experience was like in the comments. Thank you for tapping with me and taking this time for your own healing. Remember, healing is a journey, and every step forward is a step towards freedom and self-love. If you'd like to work with me one-to-one, please visit my website, mahesharise.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with anyone who you think might also find it helpful. Until next time, I'm sending you so much love and light.